Good morning, beautiful friendsels. So today I'm done with my morning stretch and I'll be doing my workout. So I opened the window for fresh air and good lighting as well. And I'm using actually a tool before and after workout. So before I do my workout, I wanted to share with you what I'm using. So this is the portable massage gun. There. By RECOVERFUN. This is the mini massage gun. I've been wanting to buy this ever since I saw it from my coach with his clients. So they're using something like this, but it's the bigger one. So this one is mini, so I think it's perfect for me and for my height, for my body, for my hand size. So I can grip this perfectly and comfortably. You can purchase this online. I'll be putting the link in the description box just in case you want to purchase it, and also the website where you can get this. And it says 5 hours usage time with 2600 mAh battery, 30 watts power, and 0.5 kilograms lightweight. So yeah, I'll show you my unboxing so you can see what's inside the box. There you go. I'll just open it again for you. So it says here it comes in 2 color options, but now they have pink one. Of course, I got my pink. I chose the pink color. So yeah, just the same thing. And it comes in a pouch like this. So you can put this here in the pouch. So it's easier for you to bring this when you travel or like to store this. You don't need to put it back in the box. I just kept the box so I can show you in this vlog. So yeah, it's so tiny. And this is how it looks like. So before you use this, make sure to fully charge the battery. It comes with a charging wire like this. It's type C already, so it charges faster. And then it has 4 adapters, or yeah, I don't know how to call it, but yeah, 4 options. So you can get this one. This is a flat, I think, aluminum type. This is one of my favorite to use. There, just the same color. And then this one, you can see this in a lot of massage guns. It's like the basic. Also has this, the pointy one. This is like for deeper muscle. If you want to get deep into the muscles, then you can use this. These 2 are actually like the basics that they use with massage guns. And lastly, this one. I rarely use this, but you can use this here at the back, like in the center of the spine. So your spine is like here in the center. They have both sides being massaged. So anyway, it looks like this. It's so pretty. It says here mini. I think they have the bigger version or the normal version. And there, it's RECOVERFUN. In here at the bottom, you can see the switch, the on and off switch, the charging port, and 4 different modes, like low, medium, semi-high, whatever, and the fastest one. So it has 4 levels. So all you have to do is pick one of the attachments that you want. So for me, I'll go for this one, the pink one, because it's my favorite. And you just have to attach it just like that. And once it's fully attached, then you have to press this button maybe 2 seconds. There, this is the first level, and then press again the button for the second level. Then we have, next is faster version, faster level there, and lastly the fastest one. So I'm just always in this mode, the slow version. And what I do is I put it here to kind of massage this part and also this part. Just avoid the part where you can feel your bones. And also here, my muscles, you can see. It's very gentle actually. I also want to use this even in the morning, even if I don't plan on working out, just for me to kind of waken the muscles up. It's perfect. If you just want to feel more awake in the morning, you can use this. That's it. And also on your leg part here, I'll just raise it, perfectly glides there on your muscles where you want to use it. Also here, right? And then if you want to turn it off, just press it again for about 2 seconds and it's done. And then if you want to change the attachment, you can just pull it out and insert another attachment like there. It's a really nice investment, especially if you're into working out, and also these days we normally do our workouts at home. What I like about this attachment is that you can actually like move it around like that. There. So yeah, that's it guys. If you want to check this one out, they have it here. There. Facebook and Instagram, RECOVERFUN, and www.recoverfun.com. They come in different colors, of course. I got pink. If you're like me, you like pink, this is the perfect massage gun for you. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you have tips on how you also use your massage guns, or any recommendations, or if you have one and what's your experience with this, let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching, and click the bell button for notifications so you get notified every time that we have new videos. Bye! Have a great day!